Want to easily remove vocals or backing music from any audio file? In seconds, totally for free online, no need to download any software. Today I'll show you how using an online tool. Step 1. Open your browser and go to Remusic.ai Vocal Remover. You'll land on the Tools page, which says Vocal Remover. Remove vocals from song with AI free. Click on Choose a file, or drag and drop your audio file. Once uploaded, you'll often have the option to choose what you want separated: vocals, bass, drums, guitar, piano. Click Generate, Start, and the AI will process the file. It usually takes just seconds. Once complete, you can preview the separated tracks.
Touchdown, gotta see what's up, area code.
Maybe later you could show me things.
Then download the version you need. So that's it, in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.